Hello, let's play a guessing game. Very simple. I will talk about a couple of words. I will give extra information about the word. I will define a word, and then you're going to tell me what the word was. Let's get the ball rolling. This is a vehicle, okay, a kind of aircraft which basically travels vertically, not horizontally, okay? But it is not an airplane. What kind of vehicle or machine or aircraft, let's say, is that? Next one is kind of a green plants, okay, which is really covered on the surface, like they are green, of course. And let's say some animals, like tame animals, are eating them, like cows, horse. They eat it, and you can find them on the surface. Can you guess what it is? This one is a kind of object, okay, let's say kind of outfit, okay, part of outfit that you use it, you wear it on your head to cover your head. What is that? This is one of the, let's say, millions and trillions of small balls, okay, in the sky, and we can see them at night. They are shining. There are billions and trillions of them in the space. This is an object, basically you can find it into the houses or buildings or wherever. Basically we are using them at night because at night there's no light. We need them to brighten the atmosphere, brighten the environment. What do we call that very object? This is an organ. Basically we have a pair of it, like two of them. We use these organs to be able to hear the sound or noise. This is a part of our body which connects our head to our whole body. Okay? It connects our head to our shoulder. What do we call that? This is an object that we are reading it. Basically, it has a lot of paper, pages all together. It forms this object and people start to read it. What is it? This is an organ which enables us to smell as well as to breathe. What do we call this organ? This is a large animal which has long neck as well as long legs. What do we call that? This is an animal which moves or travels very slowly. It has a shell, okay? The shell is its house, let's say its nest, as well as its protection. Whenever it feels threatened, it gets into that specific shell. It can both live in the sea as well as on the land. What do we call that? This is a dangerous animal, a predator which can live into the sea as well as on the land. It has really very big, a lot of big and sharp teeth, and it can easily eat, meat, whatever. I mean, it is a great swimmer. What do we call that? This is a living being, a category that we use it for flowers and trees. I mean, what is a flower as a category, or what is a tree as a category? What do we call this? This is an object. We open it, we unlock it, we put specific things or items inside it, we keep those items inside this very object, and we lock it and we keep it secret. This is an object. This is a large bag that you can carry things on your back. This is an object again. This is very small. You pour tea or coffee and then you drink out of it. This is an animal, very lovely one. It looks like a horse, but it has a black and white pattern on its body. This is a large, ugly, big, frightening, but imaginary creature which can eat human beings. Very ugly, powerful, big one. What do we call that? This is a kind of machine or vehicle which can travel or move on the sea. What do we call that? This is a kind of clear, colorless, tasteless, smellless liquid that we are drinking it. It is really important and essential material, essential substance in our life. We cannot live without it. What is it? All right, I hope it was useful and you enjoyed that. Just leave your comments in the commenting section below the video and let me know how many of these words you could guess correctly and clearly. Alright, finally, I will definitely like those comments which were totally correct and clear. Until next video, live long and prosper. Take care.